morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. It's the Tuesday after Memorial Day, and yesterday really felt like a Sunday. Yeah. 3-day weekends. Gotta love them. I'm going to get right to it. Yesterday, I had a lot of fun. The first thing I made was my pea salad. It's easy, it's quick, but it's so yummy. The recipe will be up. Then I did something because I wanted to do something fun with hot dogs. And Memorial Day, Father's Day, 4th of July. Those are hot dog days here in the United States. So I wanted to do something fun. So I searched for fun hot dogs. And this is one of the ones that I got. Teriyaki dogs with grilled pineapple. I love a good teriyaki sauce. I love teriyaki. And pineapple. I'm a sucker for good pineapple. Nice and sweet. Yeah. I did change things up just a tad on the dogs. When I did the pineapple, I also added just a little bit of diced red onion and some freshly grated ginger. Oh, the house smelled fantastic. And I was trying to figure out how to keep the bacon wrapped around the hot dog. Toothpicks. It worked. Fun meal. Great meal. Today, I am doing, traditionally, this recipe calls for like a roast, a beef roast, or a big piece of meat. So I did a bit of research and come up with ground beef birria, birria, B-I-R-R-I-A, tacos. So I'm using ground beef instead of a big hunk of beef. Let's get right to it. Hardware's out. Got the brazier out. Little saute pan, that's actually a fry pan. I'll get that to in a second. And my medium saucepan. Okay, so I got about 8 ounces of ground beef. This is 93%, 7% fat. I'm using 3 types of dried chilies. The top is arbol, then I have ancho, then guajillo. Me and my Spanish. And part of that is a half a yellow onion, some garlic, some tomatoes, some beef stock, beef bouillon, apple cider vinegar, just a splash or two. And these are the spices. They're whole. This is what the little fry pan's for, because I'm going to toast these. Whole cloves. Cloves over here. Cloves, coriander, cumin, and whole black peppercorns. So that's just for the beef. It's a fun process. I've done some other recipes very similar to this. And then I'll be using flour tortillas. I'm going to dice up half of this red onion. I'm going to dice up, that's my cat. She's singing. I'm going to dice up this Roma tomato and a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese shredded and some cilantro to top it off. She's still singing. All right, so this is all the goodies for night's Taco Tuesday. I told you I was going to get to a Taco Tuesday. This was deliberate. This is Taco Tuesday. All right, big announcement. I'm wearing one of them. The t-shirts, the Casual Chef t-shirts are now available on the website. 6 different designs, 7 different colors. Yeah, check them out. I don't make them personally, but I get them pretty quick. So, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great tacos, and have fun cooking.